Updating your billing information on Pond5 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Login. Visit the Pond5 website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled billing or payment information. Click on this option to access your current billing details. Step 4. Update your details. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in lead databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new billing information, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your updates. By following these steps, your billing information on Pond5 will be successfully updated. Regularly check your details to ensure they remain accurate for future transactions.